It's when there are major threats to life. It's when life itself is at stake, survival is at stake, that women who otherwise seem to be on the margins rise with all their strength and all their commitment and all their resilience and all their inner energies. And what is happening with the daughters of the corn and the daughters of the earth is that kind of rising. It's a rising on behalf of Mother Earth as daughters of the earth. And I think their voice is very, very significant. So when the media asks me, what is the one thing you would tell the president? And I said, the one thing I would tell the president is, listen to the earth through the voices of the daughters of the earth. And they will give you the best advice and the best direction. They are your conscience.
Hey,